75 divided by 15 parenthesis 15 divided by 3. Okay, try to solve by your own and comment your answer. I will give you shout out in this shout out list. You can be the part of this list, whatever your answer will be. So we will use here PEMDAS and stepwise map. So everybody will understand how it's going on. So we will solve here. 75 divided by 15. 75 divided by 15, they will get 5. 15 divided by 3, we will get 5. This is nothing but what? 5 times 5, and 5 times 5, answer is 25. Do you think this is the right way? Okay, we will check out. We will rewrite our question here. 75 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 3. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference will be to parenthesis. So we will operate this parenthesis part first. Inside that we have division operation, 15 divided by 3, which will give result 5. So we will write 75 divided by 15, 5. Okay, now we can simply write like this: 75 divided by 5 times 5. Now when you solve like this, they are operating 75 divided by 5 times 5, which equals to 25, and 75 divided by 25, they will get answer 3. Do you think this is the right way? No, this is not the right way. I will show you how we will solve here. 75 from here, we will solve it from here. 75 divided by 5 times 5. Now according to PEMDAS, multiplication, division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. Actually there is 15 actually, sorry, and 15 to 5, that is equal to 75, and 75 divided by 75, they will get answer 1. But this is not the right answer. We will operate here again. So according to PEMDAS, multiplication, division, as we know, have the same priority, and we have to operate left to right here. And first we will operate this division. 75 divided by 15, we will get what? 15, 5, now times 5, which equals to 25. This is the right answer. But don't try to solve like this. Okay, always follow the PEMDAS, or you can say order operation. In this case you will get the same answer, but not for every question. And if you've seen this, then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.